Let's get honest with each other for a minute. I did not just simply give up sugar to lose over 110 pounds. I gave up comfort. I gave up all processed food. I gave up constantly eating out. I gave up eating lunch with the guys at work. I gave up boredom snacking. I gave up snacking on chips or cookies or candy while I was sitting on the sofa watching a movie. I gave it all up. But more importantly, I gave up making excuses for my behavior, and I gave up negotiating with myself. I stopped thinking that I could get the results I wanted without working for them. I stopped hiding from myself and my feelings. That morning after the cruise, when I looked down and saw 348 pounds staring back up at me from the scale, one of the things I came to realize is that weight by itself was not my biggest problem. My biggest problem was comfort and lack of discipline. Comfort was making me feel better in the moment. I would have a hard day at work. I would come home, and what did I do? I'd wait till everybody went to bed, sit on the sofa, and eat Reese's Cups. That was my comfort. My comfort was not sticking to a diet because it was hard, not taking the time to prep my food on the weekends, not thinking about what I was eating, just taking the comfortable way out of when it was lunchtime, swinging by the store and grabbing something to eat. All my decisions were based on comfort. And yes, in the short term, comfort makes me feel better. It still does make me feel better. But in the long term, with my whole life, comfort makes me a weaker man, and I did not want to continue being a weak man. I wanted to be a man that everybody around me could depend on. I wanted to be a man that guys at work could depend on. And most importantly, I wanted to be the man, the husband, and the father that I should be so my wife and my kids could depend on me. Now, if you're like me, think about it, and you can probably realize what comfort is costing you too. If you want real change in your life, like real change, more than just losing a few pounds, something's got to go. You can't compromise. My suggestion, if this is you, start with a simple 30-day carnivore reset. You will learn more about your body, more about your mind, more about your thoughts, sticking to a strict 30-day carnivore diet than anything else I've ever done. You can do this. Start with 30 days. I got you. Stay strong.